Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and your face. Good lighting matters because the true depth camera maps depth. Once ready, unlock your iPhone 13 and open Settings, then tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode to authenticate. This gives you access to management options. Make sure to remove anything covering your nose or mouth so the scans are accurate. This first step begins the practical process. You're now in the Face ID menu and ready to either reset or add a new appearance. Now you decide whether to reset Face ID or add an alternative appearance. Resetting wipes prior data and is cleaner if your look changed dramatically. Tap Reset Face ID to clear stored maps or choose Set up an alternative appearance if you want two looks saved. Follow the on-screen instructions, moving your head slowly in the circular motion so the true depth camera captures full geometry. Keep the phone about 10 to 20 inches from your face and maintain consistent lighting. This ensures reliable recognition later. Finish by completing the 2 required scans. The system will prompt you twice to capture different angles. Complete both until you see the confirmation. Make sure Face ID is enabled for iPhone unlock and any apps you want. Then lock and test it immediately to confirm. If it doesn't work reliably, try a quick troubleshooting step. Wipe the true depth camera area clean and redo setup. If problems persist, toggle attention, aware features, or reset Face ID and repeat the scans. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.